Let's all FOMO in. Let's all buy FLOKI INU, which is up 40%, more than 40%, 45 in the last 20 hours. Now, why is it up? It's up because of a listing. FLOKI INU can now be traded on Binance US. And that's usually what happens, right? Whenever a token gets listed on an exchange, the potential additional demand that comes from all the users on that exchange might elevate the price. And in anticipation of that elevation of the demand in the future, very quick speculative money jumps onto this. And this just happens within a few hours. So this is not the Binance people necessarily buying. This is simply just the people riding the waves for those kinds of listings. Now there's an issue, right? There's an issue when you buy elevated prices, and it's especially true whenever trading volume is high, when attention is high. So let's look at FLOKI INU right now. Let's look at the trading volume. That's over here, right? The white line. The trading volume on the daily chart really shot up. And you do have some kind of correlation between trading volume and price. When there's a lot of attention, when a lot of tokens change hands, then trading volume goes up, the price tends to go up. And then when there is no eyes on the token anymore, when the attention moves to the next coin, that's then when the price tends to deflate, as does the trading volume. So currently, trading volume is at an all-time high for FLOKI INU. But simply just look at the past, right? So we have seen this in the past. Trading volume is very, very high, price goes up. Trading volume normalizes, price goes down. We've also seen this in Dogecoin, for example. Here, look at this. Trading volume builds up, is very high, then trading volume comes down and the price deflates again. So this is especially true for meme coins. Now, so what should we do? We should do the exact opposite. We should be buying when nobody is watching. And I made a video specifically on Dogecoin around 1 month ago. Nobody is paying attention. This is when trading volume was very, very low. And you want to look at the relative chart to Ethereum. So, of course, meme coins also move up and down with the general market. When Ethereum or Bitcoin goes up, then the meme coins go up as well, and vice versa. But you do want to make sure that the meme coin that you're holding, when there's no attention on it, doesn't bleed over the long term versus Ethereum, because otherwise you simply just have a hot potato that you want to sell off, right? But if your meme coin simply just walks in line with the general market, then there are no short-term speculative sellers anymore. And that's the kind of position that you want to be in, because you want to simply just hold the token and wait for the next potential positive news. And this is what happened here with Dogecoin. So there was very little attention. The price relative to Ethereum was pretty stable. It didn't bleed anymore. And when we look at this now, right, Doge relative to Ethereum, we did have a very nice short-term pump where you could have sold. This was a 30% increase. That's when Elon Musk changed the logo of Twitter to a little dog picture. So that's the kind of speculation that might make sense with meme coins. Of course, holding meme coins over the long term is simply just a gamble, but you do want to at least look at this relative to Ethereum, that there is no long-term bleed. Then you can make these potential short-term rally bets. So of course, then you have to sell whenever the trading volume goes up. And so this is the problem currently with FLOKI INU. Trading volume is high, so it's very likely that it's going to at least underperform relative to Ethereum. So this is FLOKI relative to ETH. Once trading volume comes down, the price comes down. But there is a meme coin that's currently not that much appreciated, and that's Shiba Inu. Let's look at this. Let's look at Shiba Inu relative to Ethereum. And this is very close to its low on the 11th of May 2022. There isn't that much negative performance versus Ethereum anymore. This might potentially be even a floor. And that's when you want to be buying. You want to be buying when trading volume is low, when the relative valuation is low as well, and when there is potential upside. So if you just look at this in US dollar terms, this could be a potential short-term rally of 40% or so. But simply just look at the trading volume, right? That's the thing that we want to be focusing on. Let's also have a look at a few not so common charts. This is Dogecoin relative to Shiba Inu. So Doge is pretty low. Then we've got FLOKI relative to Doge, relatively high, and FLOKI relative to Shiba Inu, relatively high. So if you are gambling in meme coins, don't just FOMO into any rally, especially now that the rally tends to deflate in FLOKI INU again. The attention on an hourly perspective goes down again. On an hourly chart, the trading volume is already coming back to normal levels. Don't jump on something like this. I think it makes more sense to jump on something where nobody is currently paying attention to, and that's, in my opinion, Shiba Inu. It is, after all, still a meme coin, but if you're just looking at a pure risk-reward bet, this chart to me looks way more healthy, way more like an opportunity than the current FLOKI INU chart. I'm linking the video about Dogecoin that I made 1 month ago directly after this video. Looking forward to see you in that video as well. That comes over here. Thanks for watching this one and see you over there. Bye bye.